Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to apply animations to all slides in PowerPoint. We will begin by opening the PowerPoint presentation. You can see the available slides. After that, access the View menu and click on Slide Master. Here, click on the master title. When you do, under Animations, choose the animation you will use on the slides. When you select the animation, again from the View menu, click on Normal. There, each slide will have its animation. To check it, click on the Slideshow menu and click on From Beginning. You can see each slide with the selected animation. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.